All right, guys, so I kind of had a change of plans on that vinyl on the door. I already put a piece on last night, as you can tell from the previous video, and it didn't turn out great. I'm fixing to walk over here right now and show you how it turned out, but it was too thick and it just stuck out too far. And after it dried, I don't like it, so we're gonna take it off, but I'm gonna do it a different way this time. But this time it's gonna involve some cutting. I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. All right, so that's how it turned out. It just looks like crap. The edge just kind of folded up. A lot of people say, oh, well, you didn't do it right, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I know, it's my first time, I'm no professional. But this time, I'm gonna cut out this section here because it's a solid piece. I've never seen it done on this specific truck, but I have seen it on other trucks where they've had to cut out inserts like that to get it to work. So I'm gonna leave this one like this, and I'm gonna cut out the driver's side over there, and I'll show y'all what that's going to end up looking like whenever I'm done with it. I might even record it and get you a sped up video of it, but let me get started on that.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
All right, guys, I got the door out, so now we got to take this out. Only way to really cut it is cut it out. There's some foam under here that's also got to go because I already got foam on the fabric over there. So I'm gonna start taking this off, and let's get to it. Alright, guys, so this is what I'm going to use to cut it out. This drill bit is designed to cut from the side. So I'm going to cut in the screw all the way around to get it off. So let me do that right quick. Alright, guys, so we got the adhesive glue. I got the piece cut out. So all we're going to do is we're going to spray it down real good on both pieces. That way it sticks real good. Make sure you got that piece cleaned off. That's as clean as I can get it. Alright. I know it'll stick good, so be alright.
but you can't change me. I am stronger than you could ever hope to be. You don't deceive me. I see first mistake.
Push it down real good. Alright. And now for the corners, you don't want to cut slits in the corners. It'll help it stick good. So let me get a pair of scissors so I can do that right quick. And don't worry, if the glue dries, just spray some more.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Alright guys, so to finish putting this thing together with the cutout, as you can already tell, I tried JB Weld, but I don't think it's going to be enough to hold. So what I went and did is got a fiberglass kit. Get it from AutoZone, parts store, whatever. It was probably like 15 bucks maybe. But it comes with the fiberglass resin and the hardener. So what we're going to do, this will bond just about anything. What we're going to do is cut several strips out all the way around it, and then we're going to pour resin on it, let it harden up. It'll get real hard. It won't be easy to break. It recommends 6 tablespoons to a 1/4 teaspoon of hardener, if I ain't mistaken. Let's see. Yep, 6 tablespoons of resin with 1/4 teaspoon of hardener. So just a drop of hardener with 6 tablespoons. I ain't got nothing to measure it, so I'm going to kind of eyeball it. But let's get this started, and I'm going to start mixing everything up.
No, I don't want to waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Alright guys, so we got a big mess here. Just waiting on it to dry. I feel pretty positive about it holding good. It's starting to get dark outside. I'm gonna let it sit overnight, and we're gonna come back tomorrow after I get off work and we're gonna have a look at it. But I think everything's gonna be pretty good. But I'll let y'all know first thing in the morning. What is up, guys? So we're back here today. It's a beautiful day outside, sunny and 105. I guarantee tomorrow it's gonna be dark and 30 degrees. But anyways, it's the next morning. Epoxy, and I say epoxy, that fiberglass resin and all that stuff dried. It's pretty hard, but we're gonna take all this off.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
There's the front. As you can tell in some spots, like, it's gray. That's from where I originally painted the door, and the cloth was folded out right there. I got to get some paint and finish painting the edges and stuff where I cut it off. But other than that, it looks pretty good to me. Let me get out here in the sun. Let's see. It looks pretty good. And on the bottom, there's really no way to do the bottom. I mean, there is. I could cut it too, but I don't want to cut it. So what I'm gonna do is, I went and bought some fabric paint from Walmart. It's kind of like in a spray paint can, a little small can, but I'm gonna do black fabric paint on that so it'll match the door. All right, guys, so I forgot an important detail, and I don't know how it's going to turn out. If it don't turn out, I might have to paint the inside with a paintbrush. But I should have painted this door before I put this piece back on so I could get all the gray and the grooves and stuff. But I'm going to try and do it without it first to see how it turned out. But on my next door over there that I'm going to work on, I'm going to paint it before I put this piece back in. Also, that's how the fabric paint turned out. It doesn't make it hard or anything. It's like almost like a dye. It smells just like hair dye. That's where I got it at Walmart. It's Color Shot Tulip. But that's how that's turned out on here. Before I even started this video, I was trying to make a video of me just gluing it on here without cutting this piece out, and it just didn't work out. And so that's when I decided to cut it out and use fiberglass. Like I said, I couldn't find a video on this nowhere, so I figured why not make a video on it. But I'm gonna cut this door out, and I'm gonna paint the grooves. That way the grooves won't be gray in certain spots there and there. But I'm gonna finish painting the door, and I'm gonna lay my vinyl stuff on there. Stick it just like the last one. I ain't gonna show y'all that because y'all already seen the first one, and I'm gonna put this one back in place and show y'all what it looks like when it's done. So let me get that done right quick.
See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands.
All right, guys, so y'all seen the final product. Let me know what y'all think. This is the only video, as far as I know of, that even does upholstery work on these model Chevrolets. Just remember, just fiberglass resin and fiberglass, cut it out, make sure that you add enough hardener to the fiberglass so it'd be hard. I'm just waiting on this other door to get done. I gotta go get some more hardener and fiberglass resin because I ran out. But this stuff dries in a short amount of time, and that door will be done here in just a minute. But again, let me know what y'all think, and y'all have a good one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.